Vitrified Sounds is a three-part integrated system. There's a physical system, a motor system, and a sound system. The physical system includes two clay 3D printed vessels designed using a custom toolpathing program. The surfaces of the vessels show different densities of textures, which modulate the tone when they ring when struck. One has 10 sets of leaves, the other has 5. The two vessels' resonant frequencies are approximately a half step apart, inspired by the chime structure. We suspended the vessels to increase their resonance. The platform and bridge were laser cut, and the vertical pipes were fabricated manually. The wiring for the hardware and sound system passes through the pipes connecting to the motors and piezo mics.
2 buttons and 2 knobs are mounted to the top of the chassis and are fed to the Daisy to each control one motor and separate DSP algorithms. The contact microphones are fed through the stand to an amplifier assembly, which boosts the signal before it's sent to the Daisy Seed development board on the main assembly for digital processing. We run the motors using pulse width modulation from the Seed's digital pinouts, which is amplified by a transistor circuit here, and you can see the outputs to the motors running back up through the chassis. After processing, the final audio outputs from both channels is fed to an amplifier, which drives the speakers mounted to the chassis.
Piezo microphones are installed on the interior of the vessels. These capture the sound of the vessels into delay lines that are resampled at varying times. There are also free-running accumulators that sequence 8 overtones, 4 per vessel. Each of these accumulators' phase is used to couple the oscillator's frequency and rhythm using the Kuramoto model of coupled oscillators. Knobs allow interactive control of delay times and speed of the sequencers. All processing is done in the Gen environment inside of Max and compiled to the Daisy development board.